sure all of you are taking due care in this situation of pandemic and all are safe. I am Sangeeta Kulkarni, co-author of the paper Pointers from TED Talks in Maths Education. I will give you a brief introduction of both of us. Author Prakash Bapat is a graduate in Science and Engineering. He has 4 decades of experience around automation in process industry. He has deeper interests in technology areas in STEM that led to passion for cost-effective technologies proven abroad but yet to step in India. In spite of hit and miss, the journey is full of delight. Mathematics in variety of forms is inherent. I am Sangeeta, a graduate in science. I am a freelance translator from English to Marathi with 6 books to my credit. I have recently completed post-graduation in Indology and now writing blogs on this subject in Marathi for spreading awareness about ancient history, literature, art and architecture. Ancient Indian mathematical achievements is a subject of my interest. Now let me introduce the topic. We all admire TED Talks, which are full of inspirational and interesting ideas. Those often lead us to the sense of satisfaction and delight. It fulfills and awakens one's crave for creativity. On the topic of education in general and maths in particular, and especially in the current learnings in digitalization and computerization, most of us felt the need for user-friendly learning and its availability from the formal education system. How about using the resource of TED Talks for that? Though ideas presented in TED Talks are many times better than best, deployment of those ideas in the vicinity of one's world hasn't been easy. Lot remains to be done. They say to think is good, but to think and do is better. Can we do the latter? TED Talks provide treasury of ideas. Resource is just phenomenal and incomparable. The field of education is blessed with almost never diminishing demand. In this world of more than 7 billion people, most of us have gone through a couple of decades of our rising childhood in learning from first principles and getting educated, seeking knowledge and trying to find meaning and application in the life we live in. Can modern day digital transformational technologies be tabled in the field of education? With the help of thousands of universities across the world and millions of teachers and professors and literally billions of learning hours invested every year, can there be sure-shot successful path as the way forward in education full of strength and confidence? Can education be more enjoyable and creative? We did research with the help of nearly 100 such TED Talks presented during last 2 decades on education. It has resulted into many interesting ideas and pointers that can really transform the style of education, both teaching and learning. Here are some pointers from TED Talk just for your information, and we will give some details about it later. First one is a video by Sal Khan. He runs a non-profit organization for education. You won't believe a maths tuition video can be so powerful that even autism student could figure it out. Second one is by a field medal winner French mathematician Cédric Villani. Some of you may know that field medal is almost equivalent to a Nobel in maths, and a person like him says math can surpass intuition. The third one is a TED Talk on focus on filling gap between computer schools and industry by Sebastian Thrun, who works in the field of education for profit. In the fourth one, mathematician Arthur Benjamin urges to teach statistics before calculus to make math education relevant to digital age. The fifth is a different one by Seema Bansal of Boston Consulting Group, Paris, who tells us about broken education system in 15,000 Haryana schools could be fixed without funding. The sixth TED Talk, The Mathematics of Love, is presented by Hannah Fry. While talking at the university, he gives entirely different approach about mathematics. And in the final one from the list, there are two thought-provoking talks by creativity expert Sir Ken Robinson, namely Do Schools Kill Creativity and Bring On the Learning Revolution. Please note that there are many more takeaways and pointers derivable from TED Talks. So, now let me come to the concluding remarks. TED Talks share several true stories, those which have occurred and can potentially lead to transformation in styles of education. In the light of this, there is a genuine need for 360-degree review of present education system. For this, we propose systematic research to implement doable changes and suggest involvement of well-established NGOs in education, motivated faculty members with government official from Education Ministry as empowered task force to bring out the report. The implementation of the report can be in the form of pilot run for specific changes brought out, and it may then lead to appropriate multiplication after due refinement. Thank you.